Hello and welcome to this quick video to pull the winner for this thing here. This is the YMZ Eagle 2 that I did a video on, well, Sunday actually it was released. I said in that video, for those of you that stayed to the end, that I was going to do a draw for this thing. I've taken my Walksnail unit out, so it's ready for you to pop in whatever you want. But this is a really cool way to get an HD FPV system, DJI Walksnail, or potentially something like HD0, flying around in your garden. Now, let's just go on the computer. It's been about 19 hours as I'm recording this since the last comment was left. There was a flurry of activity on it, but it's really slowed down now. So I feel like it's had long enough for me to leave it in order to pull the name out of the hat. So let's jump on the computer and do that now. So this one I actually showed in this how I modified mine to be something like Walksnail. But if you stay to the very end, and it was a like, comment, subscribe, standard stuff, but you had to put in YMZFPV Eagle 2, and quite a few of you did. 92 comments here, so there's a 1 in 92 chance, potentially less, if some of those comments didn't have that in. So let's fetch all of those. We need to have the keyword filter. It was YMZFPV Eagle 2, so it needs to be like that. Let's turn off replies. So how many have we actually got here? We have 56, so it's a 1 in 56 chance. That's pretty good odds. So let's pick the winner. The winner is Joe. I'm not sure how you would pronounce that, but apparently you're in Portugal. Fantastic. So the winner, please send details to me at lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. Commiserations to those of you that didn't win something with this. I do like to hide away these giveaways at the end of stuff. Occasionally I do ones, you know, just as a blanket thing, but it's quite fun to be able to just do this and kind of reward those of you that watch my videos right to the very end. Do stay tuned. There will be others in other videos coming in the near future. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.